Alright, we're going to work on a quadratic regression using our calculator. So on the left here I just found a random problem on the internet. Haven't done it yet, don't know what it's going to be, so I'm just going to work through it with you. So I've got my calculator over here. I need to put these angle measures and these distances into stat. So I'm going to hit stat, edit. If I want to clear L1, I'm going to go up to the top there. I'm going to hit clear and hit the down button. It clears the whole list. If I want to clear L2, I'm going to go up to the top, hit clear, hit the down button. It's going to clear L2. Now I'm going to put in 20 and 30, 40, all the way up to 70. For L1, for L2 I'm going to put 372, 462, whatever they give me, that's what I'm going to put in these lists. Again, we're just creating lists so that the calculator knows where the information is for these scatter plots. Hit second quit to take me back to the home screen. Now I've got information in L1 and L2, so when I go to stat plot up here, my plot's already on from this morning when I did this, but I'm going to click enter. I'm going to make sure this is on. I'm going to make sure I have this scatter plot for the type. If I scroll down to X list, say this isn't at L1, I'm just going to hit second. The 1 button says L1, so I'm going to just click that. Go down here, Y list, second, L2. I'm good. Now I know what my window should be because I know I plugged in 20 through 70 for my X values. So let's go 0 to 100. We don't want our window to kind of cram our information in, so I don't want to just go from 20 to 70. I want to see more than just what I typed in. And let's go by tens here. My Y's, well, my Y's, the lowest one I have is 323, the highest is 509. So I'll go from like 0. Let's go up to like 600, and we'll count that one by 100s. Doesn't really matter what I count by, it's just for my graph. Alright, so I've set my window, I've got my stat plot turned on. I want to make sure if I go into y equals, I don't have anything in y1, y2, y3, any of this stuff. I want it all cleared. And if I look up here on plot 1, this should be colored in, so I'm good. I'm going to hit the graph button. I should see my data points. Alright. That's great. I plugged in 6 points, and those are the 6 points I've got. Look at all those buttons we've pushed. So, to get the equation, the quadratic regression, you're going to go stat, calc. We want quad reg, option 5. So, if you have an older calculator, it's going to bring up quad reg on your home screen, and all you have to do is type in alpha L1, or second L1, second L2 to get your equation. For us, we already have X list L1, that's right, Y list L2. We don't need to worry about this frequency list. Store reg equation. This means whenever it makes this quadratic regression equation for me, this is where I'm going to store it. I'm going to hit vars, go over to Y vars, function. These are all my Y equals screen, so Y1 through Y0 on my y equals screen. So it's saying whenever you figure out this equation for me using L1 and L2, a quadratic regression, please put that equation in y1 for me so I don't have to do that. Hit calculate. Here's what it's saying. This is in standard form. My A value is negative 0.26, keeps going. My B value is 22.59. My C value is 23.02. Quickly, if I go check into y equals, that's the equation they've put in for me. If I go to my graph, I now have an equation that fits those data points. That's how you make a quadratic regression. If it was a straight line, instead of doing quadratic, I'd do linear. I can do a bunch of different equations, all regression points. Hope this helps.